What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video for you guys. I am going to be installing my first lace front wig from RPGHair.com. This was not a sponsored video. They did not send me this wig. I actually purchased this wig and I just wanted to do a review on it because I saw the wig on some other channels and I was like, this is a really cute wig. And the price wasn't too bad compared to the other wigs. So I said, let me give this one a try. I'm going to show you the hair. This is a short one. This is a short wig. I went ahead and I washed it because it had like a hair-ish scent. So I went ahead and washed it, but it still has the same hair-ish scent. But nonetheless, it looks really cute. And I didn't even put any mousse or anything. All I did was shampoo it and I left it air dry. It's still kind of damp, but that's okay. They said it's a pre-pluck. It's pre-pluck, so I don't know. You could see, you know, scalp action because it's pre-plucked. And this is how the inside looks. They have like a whole lace hair, and yeah, that's it. I am very skeptical about using Got2b because I didn't have a good reaction to it the first time. I got the itches really bad. So I'm hoping that it wasn't the glue, and I'm hoping that it probably was the hair and not the glue. So I'm going to be trying it again. If it does the same thing, I'm just going to be taking this thing off. So I'm going to braid my hair going back, and then I'm going to put on the wig cap, and then I'm following a video hair. Okay, so I'm going to put on the wig cap and then spray the Got2b around it, right? Let it dry. And then I'm going to attempt to put on this wig, okay? This is like my first real lace front installation. Like I did an installation before, but it wasn't like the whole thing. It was just me putting on the hat and that's it. But this one, I'm going to actually do the cap thing and do the freeze thing. You're trying to try. So let's see, okay? So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, here we go. So I need to figure out how I don't want to do too many braids or nothing. I just want to do like probably like 4 big ones. part was kind of scary because I thought I was going to cut my forehead off. But I didn't. Yeah, I probably should have cut the lace off first before I glue it on. So yeah, that's a suggestion for you guys. Cut the lace off first before you glue it on, because I was like, oh geez, I feel like I'm about to cut my edges. I feel like I'm about to cut my forehead off. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. How do you think I did for my first lace front wig installation? Like the whole thing. How do you think I did? It's good. And stay tuned for my other style videos. I might do a hairstyle with my natural hair. I'll wear this for this week, and I'll probably switch it up. You never know, so stay tuned.